Namhlanje kuphela iminyaka engama-70 kwenzeka lesigameko. Ngonyaka u-1955 izinkulungwane zabantu zasuswa ngesankahlu eSophiatown kusetshenziswa umthetho iGroup Areas Act. Kubanjwe uhambo lokukhumbula isikhathi esinzima abantu abaseSophiatown abadlula kuso.
They didn't know where they are going. They were just taken by force. They didn't know where they are going. They didn't know the place. But imagine just being taken by force. So today we are just commemorating that.
Lolu hambo belisuka eTrevor Huddleston Memorial Center lulibangise eReverend Modise House. Lezi ngezinye zezindlu ezazisetshenziswa ukusebenza kuzo ukuze kwabelwe abantu indawo zokuhlala behlukaniswa ngokobuhlanga.
During the forced removals from Sophiatown of 1956 to 1961, the house was used by the Native Resettlement Board as a reception office.
Kulolu hambo bekukhona nabantu ababuya kwamanye amazwe. Bathi ngokuzibandakanya kulolu hambo bafuna ukuqonda kabanzi umlando wezwekazi iAfrika.
Taking this walk is to understand how Africa in a bigger sense was and what we have lost as a people and maybe what we're gaining again as a people.